how I do my makeup for work? Very demure, very mindful. I don't come to work with a green cut crease. I don't look like a clown when I go to work. I don't do too much. I'm very mindful while I'm at work.
What's up, everyone? My name is Keshante Chantel. If you are new here, so welcome to my channel. We are going to be doing this very demure makeup look today. So as you can see right now, I'm just pinning my hair back, getting my hair out my face so that we have no distractions or whatever. And my favorite products to use, like NARS is just my favorite makeup. She is that girl. I just absolutely love this foundation. It blends like a dream. As you can see, it just goes on really, really smoothly. I've yet to find another foundation that just gives me that flawless makeup application. And girls, when you are doing a demure makeup look, you want the most flawless beat. And e.l.f. concealer is going to get me right every single time. I absolutely love this brand. It's so affordable. And yeah, and then I'm going in with my Lancome foundation stick. I use this to bronze my skin. This is like one of the best cream products that I've found for like bronzing, contouring. I'm not a contour girly. I just feel like bronzing just looks more natural, specifically for my skin. And yeah, you see, I'm feeling myself already because the makeup is makeuping. Like, if you love these products, if you've used any of these products, definitely drop me a comment in the comment section below, because you know I'm always looking for new stuff to try. But if you want a bright under eye, this e.l.f. concealer right here, this is the this is the matte concealer. It is in the shade Light Peach. It is going to give you the brightest under eye highlight that you've ever seen. And then of course, this is my Wet n Wild pencil. I actually like this pencil. I've been using it a lot lately. But I will say this, any products that I've used in this makeup tutorial will be listed in the description bar below. So if there's anything that you're interested in, you want to check out, just check it out, okay? So I clean up my brows with that same e.l.f. concealer. I feel like when you clean up your brow, I like to do underneath because I feel like it just gives a more precise, polished look. But I don't do it on top because I just don't feel like that's necessary. I used to, but not anymore. And so you guys are going to see, like, I just like to go ahead and keep that concealer where it was left in the beginning. So right there in the inner corners, it just gives, like I said, the most beautiful, brightest under eye highlight. And then if you want a pop-in, and I do mean pop-in, translucent powder, Anastasia Beverly Hills is going to do it every time. Okay, so this is just the translucent color. She is very, very white. She is going to give you the brightest, most beautiful under eye highlight. It is like, just wait till I finish. Okay. And then for my blush, I like to go in with the Juvias Place blush. Now, this is a very bright blush, so don't be alarmed, don't be scared, because you can control with the powder how much product you put on. But it just looks so, so good. It gives like that really candy pink undertone. It is more of a cool undertone. It doesn't change on my skin tone until I add my like contour and stuff in. But like, guys, look at this. It is just so strawberry shortcake-ish, just popping. She's popping. And then I use a Bobbi Brown bronzer just to go over that and just kind of tone it down, make it look a little bit more natural for me. Now, honestly, you could just skip the next step, but because I like to mix products, it just makes more sense to me. I am going to be using the Juvias Place bronzing palette. Like I say, you can skip the next step and just keep the first bronzer, or you could just use this one alone. I think anyone would do the same exact thing, but because I like dimension added to my face, it makes sense. And then you just go ahead and brush off that excess powder. But guys, look at that highlight. It stays in place. It looks so good. And then with bronzer, bronzer is universal. You don't just have to use it on the face. You can use it on your eyes as well. And I'm starting off with that as an all over color. And then this is another Juvia's product. It is an eyeshadow palette. It is like, I don't know the name, but it will be listed in the comment section. It is a very, very pretty palette for purples. I like purples. I can't use pinks all the time because they make my eyes swell up, but the purples, as long as it's controlled and not too much, it's gonna do it, okay? But yeah, I just love this eyeshadow palette because you can build up on it. You can also use it with other products, but like this is like that very pretty purpley eyeshadow that I'm just kind of going for more of like that fall kind of burgundy yet still summery look. It makes sense to me. I don't know what I'm saying, but it makes sense. But these colors blend out so well. So if you're looking for affordable eyeshadow that is just going to be really, really good quality, Juvias Place is where it's at, hands down, and Morphe. And then guys, you will notice that I'm using basically the same brush for most of these shades because they just blend so well and you can just add on to the look. And also when I transition into like the shimmery shade, I'm going to be using my ring finger for that, just because when you pick up a foil shadow, it just does so much better when you're using your finger. So you'll get to see in a second what I'm talking about. So guys, these are my Forever lashes. I get them from TikTok shop. I've listed and linked them before, but they're my favorite. So this is e.l.f. Cosmetics mascara. It's the lash and roll. I don't splurge on mascara anymore because when you wear false lashes, it really doesn't make a difference. But for my lip combo is very, very affordable. So this is the NYX. It's the Total Baller lip liner. I use this every day. The only thing I don't like about that lip liner is that my sharpener just eats it up. But this is the Bare All lipstick from Morphe. It is a matte lipstick. It is very, very drying. So you definitely have to use a lip gloss on top of it. And what I'm going to go in with is a lip gloss, of course. So this is a Sephora lip gloss. It is amazing. It went viral a while back, but I absolutely love it because you can wear it by itself or you can wear it on top of stuff, and it just gives you the most beautiful neutral nude lip color. And then this is a highlighter from Clinique. I have not used highlighter in a very long time, but girl, I'm about to get back into it because baby, look at that. This highlighter is highlighting. It is popping in all the places that it needs to pop. And lastly, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. setting spray. I love this setting spray. It's so beautiful, but if you have oily skin, beware because it's going to give you a dewy look. But guys, that is it. That is all. Basically, this is my Demure makeup look. You see she's popping, she's cute, she's girly. You see how I do my makeup? Very demure, okay? So if you want to look demure too, then just, follow these steps in this makeup. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Join my beautiful online family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.